Welcome to ToysForJunior.com. Today we're going to look at another cool little Lego product. This is part of the City series. As you can see, it's a police helicopter. It's for ages 5 through 12. It's number 7741, police helicopter. It contains 94 pieces. And you can see right there, it comes with a little Lego figure, a little policeman, which is always cool. Here's a few more scenes for you. One of them in flight. And a couple of, it says designed for easy building and instant play. So I'm looking forward to putting this together. Always like putting Legos together. Michael likes Legos. A lot of people out there that likes Legos. I'm really looking forward to reviewing my next Lego product, which is more for me than for Michael, because it's so many pieces and so hard to put together. And of course I can't get the box open. So I'm going to get that open and then show you the contents. Alright, got the box open, so let's see what's inside before I put it together. There's one bag with some larger Legos. And as always, a little bag with the little tiny pieces. Got some cool stickers here to put on it. Should be fun. And some directions. Lego products always come with great, easy to follow directions. So I'm going to get busy putting this together. Before I start putting this together, I wanted you all to see the different pieces. See all the different color pieces. There's a little Lego man over there. And there's the rotor to the helicopter. Rotor blades. Let's go ahead and put the little man together real quick. Little policeman, helicopter pilot. Put his helmet on. He's got some cool shades on. And he's got this helmet shield. Snaps right into place right there. Which you can raise and lower. Alright. Alright, this is the finished product. This is a lot cooler helicopter than I thought it would be. It took me a little bit longer than I thought to put it together as well. But you can see how realistic it looks. Looks really cool. Got stickers right here, right there, on top here, on the back right here. There's the tail rotor. Spins pretty well. And the main blades, they spin really well. It's smooth. It's really cool little helicopter. Highly recommend it. Cost me $9.29 at Target. It was on sale for a little bit. Let's see, what else do we have? Underneath here we have a little searchlight. This right here, I'm not sure, but I'm guessing it's some sort of gun which moves up and down. Maybe something else. I honestly don't know. Got some compartments right here on the side, which in there's a pair of binoculars stored in there. And on this side there are a pair of handcuffs stored in there. Let's see what else. The main rotor blades will move up and down. You can fold it up if need be. And you have the landing sled. What else? All kinds of great things. You can also take the rotor blades off fairly easy. And take this part off. Put the little Lego man inside so he can Go to town. Flying this baby. Put his hands up. Put him down in there. Put this back on. This on top. And the rotor blades. With that, he's in business. Might want to spin those blades, huh? Cool little Lego product. Number 7741 for ages 5 through 12 has 94 pieces. Paid about a little over $9 for it. A lot more fun to put together than I thought, and it's a lot neater than I actually thought it would be. But really doesn't surprise me. Lego makes some good stuff. So if you're collecting the City series, definitely want to get the helicopter. Be well worth your time. Be sure to go to toysforjunior.com, check out some more pictures of this one and other Lego products as well. Oh, Joe, you okay? One of the blades hit you. Yeah, I'm okay. Good deal, Joe. Thanks for playing along. Watch out for those blades.